Why am I the best sub-broker? Hi, I am Vinayak from NiftyNayak.com. As you all know, I am a sub-broker of various franchises. The reason I am a sub-broker is because it's a good revenue source for me. So I get a small commission from the brokerage which my clients generate. But that is not the main reason. The main reason is when I have huge clients and when their volume is huge, I can negotiate with the broker for a better deal. I was initially working with Kotak Securities, then I moved to IIFL, then I moved to 5paisa. Now I am planning to move over because 5paisa is not catering to my needs and they are not delivering the things what they promised. I am not married to a broker. So if I find a broker who is giving me a better deal, then I'll definitely move to them. It is like buying apple from a fruit shop. If you go and ask the shopkeeper what is the rate of the apple, he will tell 100 rupees. You tell him to give it to you for 50 rupees, he'll ask you to get out of the shop. But if you tell him that you will buy the entire store, then you can sit and negotiate with him. Understand that this is a volume-based business. More the volumes, better the deal. If you ask me which is the best car, I will say it is Rolls-Royce. Why not? It has the best engine, it has the best design, it has the best brand value, but its rate is also 5 crores. So when you are buying a car, you have to consider various parameters before buying a car. It should be in your budget, it should be according to your usage. If you want a family car, then you have to buy a bigger car. If you want a luxury car, then you will have to buy a costly car. So there are various parameters. Similarly, when you are selecting a broker, there are various things what a broker does. So you have to consider those things before selecting a broker. Many people feel that I select a broker based on the brokerage. But that is not true. In fact, brokerage is the last thing that I see when selecting a broker. So let me tell you what are the features I look when I am selecting a broker. The first and the foremost, the broker should be a national broker. There is no compromise in this. I don't want a local broker who gives me all the facilities because my money will be at stake. As my capital is huge and my client's capital is huge, I can't risk their capital with a small broker because tomorrow if he shuts down, then that is going to be a very huge problem for me. The next feature what I see is that the broker should accept collateral. I never give cash to the broker. I always give them in the form of collateral. It can be in the form of FD, mutual funds, shares, ETFs, whatever. Most of the brokers accept collateral. This is not a big deal. But the problem is some brokers charge interest on the margin which they give us on the collateral. I am not ready to pay any interest. Neither am I interested in paying any interest. So I want a broker who never charges any interest. There are some brokers who accept only 50% of the margin in the form of collateral. They ask you to bring the other 50% in the form of cash. I am not interested in this as well. I want the broker who will accept 100% margin in the form of collateral. The next feature what I see is the terminal. The broker should give us a very good terminal. Most of the brokers, they have a proprietary terminal and they expect us to use that terminal. I am not interested in using the broker's terminal because I have used many terminals and I feel that Nest, Odin or XTS is one of the best terminals. And since I have been using it for a long time, I know all the keyboard shortcuts and how to use them properly. Many people feel that terminal doesn't matter. But if you ask me, it is like a sword to a warrior and like a car to a racer. Michael Schumacher cannot win a race with a nano car. He should have a Ferrari car in order to win a race. The next feature is the leverage. As you all know, I am an options trader. I trade with huge volumes and I want the broker to give me a very good leverage. And for me, at least 8 to 10x is a good leverage which I expect from the broker. There's a small catch here. Most of the brokers tell you that they give you 8x, 10x, 20x, 30x leverage, but it is not on the entire net worth of yours. It is on the unused margin which you are carrying. For example, if you have 10 lakh cash in your account and if you have used 9 lakh for positional trade, the next day your unused amount is 1 lakh and they give you 10x of that, that is 10 lakh. But I want 10x of my entire net worth, which not many of them give. So you will have to negotiate with the broker in order to get this. So I am negotiating with some of the brokers now for this. Some brokers even charge interest on this. So I want a broker who doesn't charge any interest on this. The next feature is that the broker should allow us to trade in long-term options and deep OTM and ITM options. Not most of the brokers block this for their clients. This is not an issue. We can talk to the broker and get them convinced to open long-term options and deep OTM options, which most of the brokers agree. The last but not the least is the brokerage. So I want an average brokerage. Since the broker is doing all these things for us, so it is okay for him to charge a pretty good brokerage. I am not paying a cheap brokerage. I expect brokerage in the range of 8 to 10 rupees per lot. Yes, you heard it right, it's per lot, not per order. Most of the discount brokers charge you on a per order basis, but we pay on a per lot basis because the broker has done a lot of facilities for us and it is okay for him to charge slightly more brokerage. So if you are interested in using all the features which I just told, then you can definitely approach me. You can contact the number which is given in the description below and I'll help you in opening an account. If you are not using any of the features which we discussed, then there's no point in you opening an account under me. You can open it under Zerodha or Upstock or any of the discount brokerage, because here you will be paying more brokerage and you will not be using any of the features. Some brokers, they give us a discount in brokerage. If I tell them that one broker is giving it to me for 10 rupees, he'll tell we can do it for 5 rupees. There's a small catch here. Most brokers tell you that they give you a lower brokerage. But the problem is when they give you margin and when you trade with the margin, they square off those positions at 350. So they earn double brokerage by giving you a lesser brokerage. For example, if currently I am paying 8 rupees per lot. If there is a broker who tells you that he will give you at 5 rupees, so by squaring off at 315, you are actually paying 10 rupees brokerage. On top of that, you are also losing the margin which is there at 350. Usually deep OTM options will be trading at around 20 paise at 350 Nifty. So 20 paise of Nifty is equivalent to 15 rupees per lot. So you have lost 15 rupees of your premium. When you are doing huge number of volumes, this matters a lot. So I don't want my brokers to square off my positions. I hope you guys like this video. So do like, share and follow our channel so that you can keep learning with more videos which I post. Thank you.